Welcome to this Godot tutorial gamers. Let's start by creating a kinematic body. Now let's create a node called Animate Sprite. Click on empty next to frames, then new sprite frames, then click it again. Then here you can name your animation whatever you want. You will need the name later. Then you click this very epic waffle icon here. Select your animation and change the aspect ratios or whatever you call it. Then choose your animation frames whatever in order. There you have your animations. Also, if your animation looks blurry, click on your sprite, then import, then preset, then 2D pixel, then re-import. It should work if you click on playing on the animation properties. Now I will show you how to script when animations go off. First, create a script on the kinematic body and call it whatever. To change the animation by script, first we have to access the animation node. $sign accesses the child of the node with this script. The dot animation is the animation it will play, and then you give it the name of the animation as a string. Remember to put playing on. Then if you run it, it should play. Comment if you have questions, I will answer. See ya gamers.